Hey, what's up, everybody? Spent the day at the beach, and I noticed I had a comment from Crystal in Colorado about affordable camera options. So we're gonna go into Costco, and we're gonna see what they have. I like Costco because they have a 90-day return policy, and if there's something wrong with the camera within that period, you don't have to send it in the manufacturer. You can bring it right back to them, and Costco should have what we need. So let's go check it out. Okay, first camera is the Nikon D3500. This is a 2-lens kit. Comes with a couple basic lenses, an SD card, and it is $499. Second choice is Canon EOS Rebel T7, also a 2-lens kit. Comes with a case, and it is $549. So they did have a few other options that were more expensive, around $1,200, which is a step up from those cameras, but it's not completely necessary. For around $500, you can get started. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you guys next time. Randy Sage Photography.